Very often women come into my practice and say that their hands look old. And if we take a look at just what happens during a normal day, sun exposure, exposure to water, etc., that the skin on the hands shows signs of aging discongruent from the rest of the body, especially the face. There's also volume loss of the hands. The subcutaneous fat starts decreasing, and often we can have a little bit of muscle wasting, resulting in a very veiny or bony appearance in the hand. So today we're going to take a look at Helena's hands, and I'm going to treat it with a tissue filler, and I'm specifically using Vital Skinbooster in the Restylane range. Not only is it going to give us volume, but it's also going to improve the quality of the skin without making the hand look puffy or fat. So we can clearly see on Helena that there is volume loss between the tendons. So here's the tendon, and especially in this area, there's quite a lot of volume loss. She's got beautifully shaped hands, but because of the volume loss, the hands look a little bit worse for wear. So if we can just rejuvenate and revolumize, it will be a wonderful result. So on the hands, because they're so vascular, I use a cannula technique. It's simple, it's pain-free, and the patient feels no discomfort. I haven't used any numbing agent here, and if we can ask Helena, this is absolutely painless.
Painless, totally painless.
So what I'm doing is, with a cannula, I'm just fanning the product into the spaces where we have the volume loss. One entry at the top of the hand, it's very easy for us to reach every part of the hand. Now, you can hear a little click, and this is innovative technology of the Galderma syringe itself. It gives us little micro aliquots, in other words, small little droplets, giving us a very controlled release of the product. It makes it very easy to do something like this without depositing too much product in one specific area. And you know what? How long did that take? 4 minutes, 5 minutes to do the whole hand? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just gently going to massage and spread the product a little bit more equally, and there we go. A quick, instant hand rejuvenation. Helena, let's take a look at the other hand. This treatment, because it's such a good quality filler, will last about a year to a year and a half, improving not only the quality of the skin, but also the pigmentation, as well as give us natural volumization of the hand. So, if you feel that your hands are giving away your age, and if they are damaged through driving, sun exposure, or just the normal work in water, etc., this is a beautifully quick, simple, and safe treatment for more beautiful hands.